the ratchet strap. One of the best inventions there ever was. However, they're a pain to keep wrapped up in the right way so you can keep them around your toolboxes and stuff. They're always getting caught on things, always getting tangled. Try to pull two ratchet straps apart that are not already wrapped up. They're just going to get tied into each other. So I figured out a very simple way to wrap these up. I just wanted to show that to you. So the first thing you do is you want to make sure to open this totally up all the way. And what I do is I normally open that up like that. I put my foot on that one strap and then I pull, and now I've got it free and it's open like this, okay? Then I pull this all the way to the hook. So both hooks are now at the top. Once I've got that done, I'm going to fold it onto itself like this, okay? Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it and I'm going to start wrapping it around, and I'm going to hold this pretty tightly here, and I'm just going to start wrapping. And I even right here I might slide it in like that, so you can see I'll do that, but I'll just keep tension on and then just start wrapping, holding it with my left hand or my right hand and pivoting it all around with my left hand, and I keep rotating, and you see it starts to wrap it up nice and tight. I keep going, and now I'm left with a little bit of a tail here. And this is what you do when you have the tail. When you're done pulling that amount, you go ahead and you just wrap this tail around. And that the last wrap of the tail, it depends on where it's at. You put your finger in there, you put the tail through, and then you just crimp it down. I put my thumb here and I just pull, and you can see it just tightens everything up. And that makes a really tight wrap. I mean, it's hard to, you almost can't undo that as far as just let it fall apart. Now, to undo, it's real simple. You simply grab this, pull, then I just do this little rocking motion to get it loose there. And then I just use, I call it the double clutch. I just double clutch it like this until it's totally undone, open it back up, and now I can pull my tail out and adjust it and then go from there. So, hope that helps not have so many tangles in your ratchet strap box. Take care.